Best small car for 2025 to 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman. As we step into 2025, the 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman has been hailed as the best small car of the year, thanks to its unique blend of charm, practicality, and advanced features. With its distinctive design, spirited performance, and spacious interior, the Clubman continues to set a benchmark in the small car segment. Distinctive design and stylish appeal. The 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman stands out with its iconic and distinctive design. Its split rear doors, rounded headlights, and hexagonal grille give it a unique and recognizable appearance. The Clubman's elongated body and signature MINI styling cues combine to create a stylish and modern look that appeals to both urban drivers and those seeking something out of the ordinary. Inside, the Clubman offers a refined and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials and a well-thought-out layout. The interior features a blend of classic MINI design elements and modern technology, creating an inviting and engaging driving environment. The standard 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensures seamless connectivity and access to essential functions. Practicality and versatility. One of the key highlights of the 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman is its practicality and versatility. Despite its compact size, the Clubman offers ample interior space, making it an ideal choice for small families and urban dwellers. The split rear doors provide easy access to the cargo area, which boasts a generous amount of space for luggage, groceries, and everyday items. The rear seats can be folded down to further expand the cargo capacity, offering flexibility for larger items. The Clubman's practical design extends to its comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, with plenty of legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone on board. Spirited performance and efficient driving. Under the hood, the 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman offers a choice of 2 engines. The base model is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine producing 134 horsepower, while the more powerful S model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 189 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a smooth-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing responsive and efficient performance. The Clubman's agile handling and precise steering make it a joy to drive, whether navigating tight city streets or taking on winding country roads. Its fuel efficiency is also commendable, with the base model achieving an estimated 31 miles per gallon combined, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. Advanced safety features. Safety is a priority in the 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman, with a range of advanced safety features included as standard. These features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Together, these technologies enhance driver confidence and contribute to a safer driving experience. Market impact and availability. The 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman has been well received for its combination of style, practicality, and advanced features. Its competitive pricing and high-value offerings make it a standout choice in the small car market. Available at MINI dealerships nationwide, the Clubman continues to attract drivers looking for a unique, stylish, and practical small car. Conclusion. The 2024 MINI Cooper Clubman stands out as the best small car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of distinctive design, practical versatility, and spirited performance. With its engaging driving dynamics, modern technology, and advanced safety features, the Clubman delivers an exceptional driving experience that meets the needs of today's discerning drivers.